Congratulations, Ryan. 3 down, 2 more to go. And the stage is yours, Miss Toya. Okay. 4 down, 1 more to go. And ladies and gentlemen, the next lucky lady is Miss Face of Beauty International. Congratulations once again. We have Philippines, Colombia, Thailand, Ghana, and Taiwan. Let's begin with Miss Philippines. Good evening, Miss Philippines. I can see that you've got lots of supporters on that side. What would you like to tell them?
Thank you everybody for coming over to Taiwan to support me and celebrate this journey with me. I'll see you all later.
Okay, Miss Philippines. Take your question and I will give it for you. Miss Philippines, here's your question. What does it mean to be a strong, independent woman? Again, what does it mean to be a strong, independent woman?
Good afternoon. There are many definitions of strength, but I believe that the most fitting definition of strong independent woman is somebody who knows her purpose and somebody who knows her core. Because when somebody knows what they're meant to do and what they want to do for the rest of their life, they'll be able to force through it beautifully, as long as they pursue the dreams and make sure that they leave it back to their communities as well. Thank you.
Moving on, let's have Miss Maya. And Miss Maya will be using her interpreter. Please give her mic. Good evening, Miss Maya. How are you?
I feel amazing, hot, you know? I'm so happy right now.
Too excited. Here comes the question. What is the most important lesson you have ever learned from your parents? What is the most important lesson you have ever learned from your parents?
อะไรคือบทเรียนที่ได้รับที่ดีที่สุดจากพ่อแม่ในสมัยวัยเด็กสำหรับหนูนะคะบทเรียนที่ได้รับที่ดีที่สุดจากพ่อแม่นะคะนั่นก็คือการที่เราเนี่ยต้องเติบโตมาเป็นคนที่เขาอกเข้าใจคนอื่นแล้วก็รักตัวเองด้วยมากๆก่อนที่จะรักคนอื่นได้โปรดช่วยรักตัวเองก่อนและถ้าหากคุณรักตัวเองแล้วเนี่ยคุณจะสามารถมอบโอกาสคนอื่นให้คนอื่นได้อย่างเช่นตัวฉันเองดิฉันเป็นคุณครูสอนเดินแบบดิฉันรู้ว่าประเทศของฉันเองเนี่ยมีเด็กที่อยากที่จะเป็นนางงามนางแบบแล้วก็อยากที่จะเข้าสู่วงการบันเทิงแต่ไม่มีเงินมากพอฉันเลยมีโครงการ Walk with Beauty Big Girl ก็คือโรงเรียนสอนเดินสำหรับคนที่อยากจะเดินจริงแต่ไม่มีเงินดังนั้นแล้วฉันอยากที่จะเป็นแม่ทูลหัวให้กับซินเดอเรลล่าสัก1 คนเพื่อที่จะให้เขาทำตามความฝันนี้สักคืนหนึ่งให้เป็นจริงให้เขามีความสุขอย่างนั้นแล้วความฝันนี่แหละจะทำให้เขามีความสุขช่วงนิรันดร์และนี่แหละคือสิ่งที่คุณพ่อคุณแม่ของลูดี้ได้ฝากไว้ขอบคุณค่ะ
Okay. the most memorable lesson from my parents that I was taught since I was young, that I would have to love myself first. I would have to fulfill myself much enough to give it to others. And I would like to be giving opportunity to those people that are poor or not having enough money. And I would like, as I'm currently having a project walk with Willie with love that she's doing right now in Thailand. She's a motor teacher and she would like to give this opportunity to those poor children. And furthermore, she would like to be a Cinderella or someone who's really passionate in love, would like to give this opportunity to feel a child without chance and become of the best version of herself. And 他想，谢谢，就是感谢，就是给这个机会给他，就是很谢谢。
Thank you very much, Ms. Taiwan. Our next stage is Ms. Taiwan.
接下来邀请2位小姐来到我们的中央来说出。
Ms. Taiwan.
Thank you, Mr. Allen.
Okay, Ms. Taiwan, are you ready? Let's take your question, and I will read it for you, okay? Ms. Taiwan, what would you say to someone who thinks that pageantry is irrelevant? Again, what would you say to someone who thinks that pageantry is irrelevant?
Thank you, Mr. Allen, for that question. For those who think pageantry is irrelevant, I would want them just to look at all these amazing ladies on stage. We have doctors, we have lawyers, we have artists, and we have so many established women in different industries. A philanthropist in Taiwan that I really love, Ms. Chen Shuju, once said, accumulate not fortune, but virtue. And I think that is what pageantry is all about. All these amazing ladies coming from different sides of the world and different industries, accumulating not fortune, but virtue together. If I had an opportunity to be Face of Beauty International, I would utilize this platform to deliver not only Face of Beauty, but Heart of Beauty. I would utilize my experience as an interpreter for ambassadors from more than 26 different countries and friends from all 6 continents of the world to deliver this platform to the best of my ability. Let's accumulate not fortune, but virtue together. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ms. Taiwan. That's it, well done. Moving on, we have another candidate. She is from the Pacific. Miss Donna, how are you, Miss Donna?
So good, thank you.
Okay, are you excited? Let's keep your question, and I will read it for you.
You have the fans covered there.
Miss Donna, if you have a chance to discuss a social issue with world leaders, what social issue would it be? Again, if you have a chance to discuss a social issue with world leaders, what social issue would it be?
If I had the opportunity to discuss a world issue, I would discuss the issue of importation of fraud that is coming from fake weave of the traditional Italian mat. And this is an issue for us because it is declining the amount of customers from our traditional mat makers. And this is a problem because this is very important to our economy. And now we have to face the consequences when it is not our fault. It is simply because there is no law in place. Xie
Thank you very much, Miss Donna.
小姐接下来来到我的最后一个问题了，邀请各位小姐来到我的舞台上。
Thank you very much. Now, Miss Columbia, how are you? Please pick your question. Very nice. And so I can
Yeah.
actually
For you,
Thank you very much, Miss Columbia. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause for the top five finalists of this year's Miss Face of Beauty International. I know you've been exhausted the past few days.